Morning students. Hello. Good morning student. Yes, in last video we discussed our continuity. Some more questions in exercise 5.1. Question 26. From question 26, find the values of k so that the given function is continuous at the indicated points. Question number 26. Yes, question number 26. A function is given fx is equal to k cos x upon pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. Given that function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, we have to find the value of k. Given that fx is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, we know that when a function is continuous at given points, when fx is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, then left hand limit must be equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function at given points. So left hand limit, that is LHL at x is equal to pi by 2, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus fx. It is first step. Second step, put x is equal to pi by 2 minus x, and new limit is h tends to 0 f pi by 2 minus h. So limit h tends to 0 f pi by 2 minus h at the place of x, k cos pi by 2 minus h upon pi minus 2 pi by 2 minus h. Limit h tends to 0 cos pi by 2 minus h, that is cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So it is equal to sin h. Cos pi by 2 minus h is equal to sin h. Therefore k sin h upon k pi minus pi plus 2h. Cancel this pi. K upon 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h. We know that limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h is equal to 1. So value of LHL is equal to k by 2, and RHL at x is equal to pi by 2. First step, limit x tends to pi by 2 plus fx, put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h, and new limit h tends to 0 f pi by 2 plus h. So limit h tends to 0, put pi by 2 plus h at the place of x. Function is given k cos pi by 2 plus h upon pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. Cos pi by 2 plus theta is minus sin theta, since cos it is in second quadrant, and we know that in second quadrant cos function is negative. Therefore limit h tends to 0 k sin h upon pi minus 2h. Cancel this pi. Therefore limit h tends to 0 minus k sin h upon minus 2h. Cancel this minus sign. K by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h, which is equal to 1. So RHL is also k by 2. Now value of the function at given point, that is pi by 2, is 3. Since function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, therefore LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of function. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f pi by 2. So k by 2 is equal to 3, implies that k is equal to 6. That is the value of k. So question number 27, 28, 29 are same questions. In these questions you have to find the value of k. So you can do easily. Next question number 30. Sir pause कर दीजिए. Camera. Yes. Question number 30, which is most important question. Given that fx is continuous, we have to find the value of a and b. We know that when a function is continuous at given point, when fx is continuous, then LHL is equal to RHL. At x is equal to 2, then LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f2. That is first point. So left hand limit at x equal to 2, that is f x tends to 2 minus fx. Put x is equal to 2 minus h. Function is given when x is less than or equal to 2, then fx is equal to 5. Limit h tends to 0, f 2 minus h. Limit h tends to 0. Function is given 5. Fx is equal to 5. So LHL is equal to 5. RHL at x is equal to 2. Limit x tends to 2 plus fx. Put x is equal to 2 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. f2 plus h. When x is greater than 2, then function is given fx is equal to ax plus b. So limit h tends to 0, a into 2 plus h plus b. Put limit h tends to 0, then function is 2a plus b. And f2 is also equal to 5. LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f2. Therefore 5 is equal to 2a plus b. It is the equation first. At x is equal to 10, left hand limit, that is LHL. Limit x tends to 10 minus, put x is equal to 10 minus h. New limit h tends to 0, f 10 minus h. Fx is ax plus b when x is less than 10. It is some less to 10, so we have to use fx is equal to ax plus b. Therefore limit h tends to 0, a into 10 minus h plus b. Put the limit h tends to 0, then LHL will be 10a plus b. In RHL at x equal to 10, limit x tends to 10 plus fx. Put x is equal to 10 plus h, and limit h tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0, function is given fx is equal to 21 when x is greater than or equal to 10. So we have to use the function fx is equal to 21, then value is 21, and f10 is also equal to 21. Since given function is continuous, so LHL is equal to RHL is equal to F10. LHL is 10A plus B and RHL is equal to 21 and F10 is also 21. So second equation is 10A plus B is equal to 21. Solve these two equations. You have to find the value of A and B. Solve equation first and second by linear equation in two variable. You have to use any method out of substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method, and easily find the value of A and B. Next questions 31, 32, 33 and 34 are the composition of two functions. Depend example in question. Depend examples are 20, 19 and 20. Composition of function. Composition of function क्या होता है?